Good morning, friends. I welcome you all in this Learning NLP series on YouTube. Today, I just received very sad news of our Bollywood star Rishi Kapoor's death, and I came to know that he was fighting with cancer for last 1.5 years. And today, I want to discuss with you the same topic: cancer cure with NLP. So let's see how we can go for it. Rishi Kapoor ji actually 52 born and just died today on 30th April. He completed 92 movies, and the last movie shooting of Sarmaji Namkeen was going on, but unfortunately sir is no more with us. Basically, Rishi Kapoor started his journey in Bollywood. Somebody thinks it's 1970 from Mera Naam Joker, but no, it was actually 1955 in Sri 420 he appeared in movie first time. So it's a very long journey. In 1973, from Bobby he started his first career as a hero. Otherwise, he was in the movie from 55. So basically, Rishi Kapoor ji was diagnosed with cancer in 2018. He also went to US for his bone marrow treatment, and even in September 2019 there were news that sir is now totally cancer free and is finally home, but today he passes away at the age of 67 after a long battle with cancer. Friends, battle of cancer is not new for us, and if you see science says that it's physical reasons. As I said in my last video, that science has a problem of identifying something with oxygen and something with nutrition. If you don't know about that video, you can just see the description box. I have put that link of that video of leaky gut in the description box, so please see that video. So science says that it's either addiction or carcinogen which produces cancer, or it's radiation, UV radiation from sun and ozone, and malnutrition, because of which people suffer from cancer. But I totally disagree with this, because let's see how. Because if it is carcinogen, radiation, addiction and malnutrition are the real causes of cancer, then let's consider two things. One is, let's consider about Rishi Kapoor ji. Carcinogen, he is living in very healthy home. Radiation, naturally he has enough money to prevent himself to be exposed from radiation. Also, very less addiction. And malnutrition, you can't imagine that person like Rishi Kapoor has any kind of malnutrition. Okay, Rishi Kapoor ji were a celebrity, but let's consider our Indian woman who is working in her kitchen every day. In kitchen, do you think is there any carcinogen available? See, if you are going into the city, then definitely you are definitely exposed to carcinogen. But in kitchen, also let's say she is always at home, and she is maximum time inside the home, not outside the home. So radiation is not an issue for her. Also, Indian woman is not addicted to anything else. Maximum she is addicted to tea. And also malnutrition will not be an issue for her, because she is the person who takes care of entire family for nutrition. So all these four factors are actually not reason of cancer. So what is the real reason for cancer? So if you have somebody who is suffering from cancer, then definitely do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my future videos, and do share this video to person who is suffering from cancer, and he will or she will bless you for saving his or her life. Basically, real reason is emotional, friends. I have come across many cancer patients in my esoteric architecture where I design and redesign interior and architecture spaces to heal any disease with help of architecture. So I am actually an architect, but of my 25 years of spiritual experience, I have created esoteric architecture where I do all this stuff. So basically, let's understand why cancer happens. There is a chakra system in Indian system. There are 7 chakras, and one of the chakra is heart chakra. We call it Anahat chakra. So while somebody is suffering from cancer, then definitely he or she is having very small heart chakra. And what does this small heart chakra means? It means that that person never forget or forgive anyone. I have said my last video where I have discussed about all these energies, negative energies you are storing inside your body. And I have given you the rule of 60. If you don't recall it yet, then see the description box and see that video. It will be very useful for you to understand. But let me tell you in short that if you store your negative emotions, say anger or anxiety or stress, for different time, say if you are storing it for 6 years or more than that, then you are likely to suffer from cancer. If you are storing it for 6 months or more than that, then diabetes kind of thing can happen. And if you are storing it for 60 weeks, then definitely lesser kind of disease, that is called some either you might met with accident or something like that can happen. And if you are storing it for 60 days, then you might come up with fever or lesser one disease. But the problem is you don't know how to remove all this storage, how to remove all these past painful memories. There are lots of past painful memories in everyone's life. Also, there are lots of phobias are working, and these are what is creating diseases in our body. Actually, cancer cell is not a powerful cell at all. Actually, cancer cell is defined as a weak and damaged cell. Then why it is taking over our entire immune system? See, basically the problem is we are afraid of cancer. So what to do is, don't afraid of cancer, rather understand how to kill cancer, how to cure cancer with NLP, and that's we are going to discuss in today's video. Friends, we have these powerful soldiers inside our body. These are white cells. This is army provided by God to us, and these are ready for our defense anytime. Even you are not aware, but they are working what they are supposed to do. How they do work? See, basically whenever some bacteria or virus coming inside the body, white cells are ready to fight with them. Suppose there is a worm over here in this video, and if you see that many white cells at a time attacking that worm. So when you are having some cut on your body and if it has infection, then later on it develops white pus over there. What is that pus? That are the dead cells. There are dead white cells which are died fighting that bacteria, and that becomes pus. So this is wonderful mechanism God has given to us, and this is the army working for us, right? So these are our soldiers. Now what to do? So now let's understand one more term, that is NLP meditation. This is the cancer cell over here. This orange cell is cancer cell. Now when you do meditation, then what happens? That vibrations are coming like this, yes, and that cancer cell is damaged. So if you focus on, and if you have intention, and if you have intention properly formed, definitely you can kill and remove any disease from your body. And I guarantee you, if you can't do it yourself, you meet me, I will help you do it, because for last 25 years I am doing this and I am researching in this area, and I have developed my esoteric architecture where I design or redesign your home factory or office where you are most of the time, and I can make you disease free. It can be anything. Suppose you are doing business and you are coming up with anxiety and stress, then you can be free from it. Blood pressure, diabetes are very easy to get rid of, and cancer will definitely take time. But if you are willing and if you want to survive from cancer, then I guarantee you cancer can do no harm to you, right? So let's do a little meditation today, and let's know how to get survive, and let's know how to cure cancer with NLP. So I request you all to close your eyes and listen to my words. Take a deep breath, and while exhaust, relax. Inhale and exhale slowly. Do take care that you breathe long and slow. And now imagine that you are inhaling clean, fresh and healthy energy from the environment, and you are exhaling all the dirty, used up and disease energy outside your body. Just keep this healing breath. Take more healing breaths where inhale clean, fresh and healthy energy, and exhale dirty, used up, disease energy. Now think about all the cancer cells inside your body, and now at the same time think about all the white cell soldiers, the army given by God to us as a gift. Now while you inhale, you are providing clean, fresh, healthy, revitalizing energy to your white cells, and white cells are fighting with cancer cells, and at every exhale all your cancer cells are now destroyed and going outside, going away from your body. So now I will just guide you with what to think in your intention. Keep your intention that you are inhaling and you are energizing your white cell, and at the pause white cells are fighting with cancer cells, and at the exhale white cells are throwing away all the cancer stuff outside your body. So we can do it in rhythm, right? So at the count of 5, 2, 4, 2. 5 is the count for inhale, 2 is count for hold your breath, 4 is count for exhale, and 2 is count for hold your breath, right? So I will just give you count only, and you will just think about killing cancer cells and throwing away all the debris from your body. Okay, so let's begin this powerful meditation. Inhale and exhale. Now I will give you 5 words, so which are 5 counts. At the pause I will speak something about cancer cells, and at the exhale I will give you 4 words to count for 4. I will give you my fingers to understand same thing. Now inhale clean, fresh, healthy, revitalizing, powerful energy. Hold and let white cells fight. Exhale dirty, used up, disease, negative energy. Hold, relax. Inhale clean, fresh, healthy, revitalizing, powerful energy. Hold, let white cell fight. Exhale. Expel all the dirty, negative, used up and cancerous cells outside your body. So remember these words: clean, fresh, healthy, revitalizing and powerful energy, and dirty, used up, disease, negative or cancerous cells energy, whatever you like to think in your mind. So repeat this 5 to 4 to count meditation with this intention, and within few days you will see this powerful difference in your body, and your cancerous blood or tumors will definitely get reduced. And you can contact me, you can comment over here, and if you want to know more about techniques, you definitely comment in the comment box, and whatever you want to ask me, you can ask over here in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your questions. And also same way, this is not only for cancer, you can heal any of your disease with this technique. So I would wait for your feedbacks, and I will definitely be happy to hear from you that while using these techniques what happened. But remember friends, don't overuse this technique. Sometimes what happens is people like technique so much that they are doing for hours, but this is not to do for hours. Just do it up to the time you feel like visualizing or feeling the technique working. Suppose it might be only 3 to 5 minutes or maximum 10 minutes. Don't do more than that, because we have a misconception and false notion that we must do meditation for hours, but it is not true. Because when you are now up to the edge of joyful experience of meditation, and after that meditation is not a boon for you, but it will work negatively. So stop your meditation as soon as you stop your feelings enjoying meditation, right? So I wish you all the best, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all my videos notification which are this powerful. So wish you all the best for this meditation, and I wish you all happy, healthy and joyful life. Bye for now.